The Amazon is burning. A record number of fires, over 72,000, have been detected in the world's largest rainforest this year. Brazil's National Institute for Space Research reports that's an 83% increase from last year. Environmental groups say the policy 1 million square miles. It's home to indigenous groups as well as thousands of species of plants and animals. 2/3 of the world's plant species can be found there. And it's seen as a vital hedge against the carbon emissions that contribute to climate change, a loss that becomes more pressing as global temperatures continue to rise.